This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
Hello everyone, welcome to AKSIAS. Guys, as soon as I'm seeing the videos, the messages that we are getting, students are asking different doubts. And when we look at the number of doubts the students are asking, some are very common. So we thought we'll make few videos continuously to help you understand about these myths. And one such question that we got from the students was, "Sir, my father says I should wake up early in the morning at around 4 o'clock and read. But I'm an engineering student, or in my degree, I always read in the night. And I understand things better in the night. What is your suggestion? Do you think I should stick to my own timetable where I should read when I am more comfortable, or should I read early in the morning?" See guys, all these are not at all an issue if you look at the toppers. Every topper is different and every individual is different. Now, early in the morning, if you wake up, some people need good sleep. They don't get sleep in the night. Now, early in the morning, you wake up without doing any physical activity. If you just sit in front of a book, I think it's really dangerous. You just keep on sleeping. The number of hours keep counting, but your efficiency reduces. I know certain people, right from their childhood, they are used to getting up in the morning, they do some physical activities and start their day. So go with your practice. Don't change things at this time. But if you are not able to complete a target on time, then increase the time, or if you are able to complete, reduce the time. But try to read when you are able to focus. So it really doesn't matter whether it is in the morning or in the night. Normally guys, if you read in the night or in the morning, just ensure disturbance is not there. What is the meaning of that? In the night, when you are reading, your friends may be chatting, many people will be active online at that time. You keep talking to them and you are lost in the process. In the morning, no one is awake, only you are there and you are doing your own work. So it may be beneficial. And some people say early in the morning when you read something, it sticks to your mind and all. I'm not really sure, because I have also read in the night and I have been successful. So it really doesn't matter when you read. But one thing I'll tell you, don't start reading without some physical activity. Until and unless your body is perfect and it is disciplined, you cannot sit for long hours. So develop that habit of sitting for long hours and then also doing physical activity, so that your mind and body is in balance. And whenever the balance occurs, this is the right time to study guys. So don't think much about these, because I can see many students spending 10 to 15 minutes only discussing about these with the faculties. This is the reason we felt it is important for you to know. You can show this video to your parents as well if required and tell them what matters is the focus. And every day, if you can do it consistently, even your parents will agree, right? So every day my son or daughter is reading till 3, they'll be very happy. Even if you don't read, early in the morning you wake up and start reading at 4, you're not reading and you're sleeping in front of book, they won't feel comfortable, they won't feel happy. So trust me, your actions will determine whether you are doing it rightly or not. So the only thing is ensure consistency. That should be good. Fine guys, thank you.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.